Very main question. It is very easy. We can do in a fraction of seconds. So what is the question has given? If s and s dash are the foci of the ellipse, x square by 25 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1, and if p is any point on it, then the range of values of sp into s dash p is asking. So here what he has given? One ellipse he has given. The ellipse also he has given in a standard form. The ellipse he has given is x square by 25 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. And s and s dash are he has given as foci of the ellipse. S and s dash are he has given as foci of the ellipse. And if you take any point P on the ellipse, if you find the distance from S to P, similarly if you find the distance from S dash to P, so we have to find the range of values of SP into S dash P. So here SP is nothing but the focal distance of a point. If P is any point on focus, if P is any point on the ellipse and S is the focus, then SP will be equal to A plus AE cos theta. And if S dash is one of the foci and P is any point on the ellipse, then the value of S dash P will be equal to A minus AE cos theta. So here SP means you have to find A plus AE cos theta value. S dash P means you have to find the value of A minus AE cos theta. So first you take the given ellipse. What is the ellipse he has given? X square by 25 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. So A square value he has given as 25 and the value of B square he has given as 16. So the value of A is equal to 5 and the value of B is equal to 4 he has given. Since we want the value of E, you find the value of E. E means what we write root of A square minus B square by A square. So A square means 25, B square means 16. So that is 25 minus 16 means 9 by A square means 25. Root 9 means 3, root 25 means 5. So the value of E, what we get? 3 by 5. Now you find the value of SP. SP means what we are writing? A plus AE cos theta. That is the value of A is 5 plus A means 5, E means 3 by 5 into cos theta. So ఇక్కడ 5 will get cancel so we get 5 plus 3 cos theta. Similarly, the value of S dash P, is A minus AE cos theta. That means what we get 5 minus 3 cos theta. The values are same, but in the place of plus we are getting minus. So the value of S dash P will be 5 into minus 3 cos theta. Now what value? Now which range we have to find? We have to find the range of SP into S dash P. So you multiply SP into S dash P. So what we get? 5 plus 3 cos theta into 5 minus 3 cos theta. So these two are in the form A plus B into A minus B. So what we get? A square minus B square. That is 5 square means 25 minus B square means 3 square into cos square theta. That is 25 minus 9 into cos square theta means what we can write? 1 minus sin square theta. So the value of 25, if you multiply 9 minus 9 sin square theta. That is 25 minus 9 is minus into minus plus we get 25 minus 9 means 16 plus 9 sin square theta. So now what we want? The range of SP into S dash P. Means we want the minimum value of SP into S dash P and the maximum value of SP into S dash P. So here maximum minimum value depends on the value of sin square theta. It will depend on the value of sin square theta. We know that the range of sin theta is closed minus 1 comma 1. The range of sin theta is closed minus 1 comma 1. Since it is sin square theta, the range of sin square theta will be closed 0 comma 1. Since it is square, minus terms also will become plus. So the range will be 0 comma 1. So this will be minimum when sin square theta is minimum. So the minimum value of sin square theta is what? 0. So the minimum value of SP into S dash P is when sin square theta is equal to 0. So minimum value what we get? Therefore minimum value sin square theta 0 means 9 into 0. So what we get? 16. So its minimum value will be 16. Similarly, it has maximum value when maximum value of SP into S dash P is when sin square theta is maximum. The value of sin square theta, the maximum value of sin square theta will be 1. The maximum value of sin square theta will be 1 number. So this maximum value will be 9 into 1. 9 into 1 means 9. 9 plus 16 what will get 25. So that means the minimum value of SP into S dash P is 16 and the maximum value of SP into S dash P will be 25. So its range, that range will lies between SP into S dash P lies between 16 comma 25. That is 16 less than or equal to SP into S dash P less than or equal to 25. So the range of SP into S dash P will be equal to 16 closed interval 16 comma 25. It is very easy question. If you know the concept, if you follow the concept, it is very easy.